Coming with our sequence of the expected questions on space. So in this section, we would be talking about some of the major developments. The first is the three of those you well know. One is the Chandrayaan 3, Shukrayaan, which is the Venus project predicted for 2024, and Gaganyaan, which is again the manned project to space. So these three are some of the major projects under ISRO. Now besides that, Aditya L1 is the project for the sun, and this was the project at the point L1, that is the Langring point 1, and this again is important. The next is the XPOSAT. XPOSAT is the X-ray polarimeter satellite, and this is to study the black holes and galaxies. The idea is using intense X-rays in space to study the black holes. So again, an important project under ISRO. Now besides this, we also understand some of the important terms. One is the planetary alignment. Now as the name suggests, it is an alignment. That means major planets come in one line. Now 3rd June 2024 is one such unique date where 6 of the planets get aligned in one row, and that is Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the 6 planets that aligned on 3rd of June 2024. So again, an important topic, and this is a phenomena that appears more like an illusion, or we can say a perfect line in space that can be seen. The next important development is one of the persons from Russia, a Russian cosmonaut, Oleg Kononenko, became the first person to spend 1000 days in space, and that's a historic landmark. So again, important thing that you must be aware about. Coming on to some major developments, the next term that we must understand is blaze star. Now this is an upcoming explosion that is known as blaze star or T Coronae Borealis, and this is a very rare of the rarest celestial event which can be seen through a naked eye. This was first time identified in 1946, and it repeats a pattern in around 80 years. Now this is a very dim star which is located nearly 3000 kilometers light years away in our solar system in the galaxy Cornea Borealis, and therefore it is known as T Cornea Borealis, and this is also known as Northern Crown because this is found in the constellation Cornea Borealis, which is in the northern side. So we call it as a Northern Crown. Now this rare example is an event which comprises of a white dwarf and a red giant, and the white dwarf draws the material from the red giant and slowly increases the brightness such that it is visible even from the naked eye. So these kind of predictions become important. The notable explosion was seen in 1946, and then earlier to that it was documented somewhere around 1866 that this was observed, and there have been efforts to actually view such explosions through naked eye over the time period. So these are some of the major developments in the field of space that you must be aware about. In our series of lectures, we'll be bringing next topic. So the next would be geography in line, and also after your prelims is over, we have started our classes for case studies, specifically answer writing for your mains. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining in.